Good morning. Today I'm going to make some my bachelor quick and easy, no mess egg omelet using several ingredients, and it's pretty tasty. Now you add a couple of eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Well, I don't have any pepper. I don't eat pepper, but you can put pepper in. Garlic. Got a little shell there. Mushrooms. Put the ham in there first. Actually, that sausage. Get it out of the way. Sliced up sausage, or you can put ham. Mushrooms. These are Bella. That's about enough. Tablespoon or more. Depends on how many eggs you use. Black olives. I'm not too quick with a knife. Dice up your olives. Four olives diced up, whatever you want. More coffee. I like triple cheddar shredded cheese myself. I like chopped up green bell peppers in there. Okay, now I scramble it up real good, mix it all up. And I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And when it starts cooking on the sides, and then I stir it some more. Try to bring the sides into the middle. Don't want to overcook it. See, it's starting to cook. And I stir it again. Got a little bit of liquid left in the middle. Just want to get rid of the liquid. It's almost done. Just under 2 minutes. Don't walk away though, whatever you do. You have to stay here and stir it. Okay, that's done. About the right consistency of scrambled eggs with a little bit of moisture left. Now I need to let it cool down. So here's my quick and easy, no mess, bachelor scrambled egg omelet. Got some toast and orange juice and coffee with it. Bon appetit. Very tasty. Good. It's good for you.